Hey guys, so today I'm making this video to show you guys all the DIY candy kits that I have, and I just want to share with you guys or get your opinions of which DIY candy kits video tutorials I should make. So let's just get started. So right here I have the donut kit, the sushi kit, the bento kit, the cake set, and the hamburger set. Then I have a Meiji digging chocolate, soda nere, which I already did. Then here I have some edible paper and paint set, and a Opanza cookie cake set. So just tell me which kits you guys want video tutorials on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.